Hi friends, let us learn about how to use just, already, and yet in present perfect tense. These three are closely related, but they are slightly different also. Just means a short time ago, a little while ago. Are Diane and Paul here? Yes, they have just arrived. Just arrived means they have arrived 5 minutes back, 10 minutes back, something like that. Are you hungry? No, I have just had dinner. That means I have just finished my dinner. Probably 5 minutes back, 10 minutes back, half an hour back, whatever it is. Is Tom here? No, I am afraid he is just gone. Yes, he has just gone. Means he left very recently, the last 30 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever. Right. So just means recently, very recently, a short time ago. That is just. Already means before you expected or before I expected. What time are Dan and Paul coming? Please notice the difference. What time are Dan and Paul coming? They have already arrived. Means this person is expecting that they have not come yet. Right? Person A is expecting. So when they have already arrived, or here it is depicting that they have arrived sooner than one when they have expected. Right. A and B are expecting Diane and Far probably half an hour later. But these guys have already arrived. So they have arrived before they were expected. Right. Please notice the difference. Already arrived versus just arrived. Just arrived means 10 minutes back, 5 minutes back, whatever. So the message that is conveyed here is recently they have arrived. The message that is conveyed here is that this thing has happened before the expectation, right? Before the expected time. It's only 9 o'clock and Anne has already gone to bed. So probably generally she goes to bed little later. Or generally in that culture, they might go to bed little later. But Anne has gone to bed already. Means before what she expected. What what I expected. Right. John, this is Mary. Yes, I know. We have already met. Right. A is thinking John doesn't know Mary. John is saying, or B is John here. John is saying, yes, I know. We have already met. We have met before you introduced, before you expected. That's why it is already. Then at we use in negative sentences also. We use in questions also. At means until now. Are Diane and Paul here? No, they have not arrived yet. They have not arrived until now. But we expect Diane and Paul to arrive soon. Right? Does John know that you are going away? No, I have not told him yet. I have not told him until now. Right. Margaret has bought a new dress, but she has not worn it yet. Has not plus past participle everywhere. Please see have not plus past participle. Right. Arrived, told, gone, whatever. She has not worn it yet. She has not worn it until now. These are negative sentences. Right. And at in questions. Have Diane and Paul arrived at? Have these people arrived at? Arrived is the past participle, right? Have they arrived until now? Has Linda started her new job yet? Has she started her new job until now? This is my new dress. Have you worn it yet? Right. Until now, have you worn it? Yet means until now. Please notice one more difference. It generally comes towards the end. Right. After the verb. Told. It is coming after told. It is coming after started. It is coming after arrived. It after one. But already and just they come before verbs. Have just arrived, just had, just gone, already met, already gone, already arrived. Please notice the difference. It generally comes towards the end. Okay. Let us look at some examples. They will make this thing even clear. After lunch, you're going to see a friend at her house. She says, she says, would you like something to eat? Then you say, no, thank you. I have just had lunch. What does just mean here? Just means a short time. You want to emphasize that you have finished your lunch or you have had your lunch a little while ago. That's why you cannot eat anything. Right? Joe goes off. 5 minutes later, the phone rings and the caller says, can I speak to Joe? Then you will say, it is happened, this event has happened very recently. Right? 5 minutes later, very recently, means within 5 minutes, the last 5 minutes only, this event has happened. So, what do you say? I'm afraid he has just gone out. He has just gone out. He has just gone out, right? Go, went, gone. Gone is the past participle, right? That's why we use just here. You are eating in a restaurant. The waiter thinks you have finished and starts to take your plate away. You say, wait a minute. Wait a minute. And what do you say? Until now, I am not finished. Right? So you say, I am not finished yet. Because the message you want to convey is until now. Right? You want to convey, wait a minute, I am not finished yet. I haven't finished yet. I have not finished yet. You plan to eat at a restaurant tonight. You phone to reserve a table. Later, your friend says, shall I phone to reserve a table? You say, what? No, I have already done it. I have already done it. Because here you want to say your friend is expecting that the reservation is not yet done. So before you have already done it. So this is before your friend expected. So you say, no, I have already done it. Here we use already. You know that Lisa is looking for a place to live. Perhaps she has been successful. Then here, has she have you asked her, have you found a place yet? Find past participle is found. Have you found a place yet? In questions we get yet. Have you found a place until now? Right? So in questions you get yet. Have you found a place yet? You are thinking about when to go for a holiday. A friend asks, when are you going for your holiday? What do you say? You say, I have not decided it. Negative sentence. It is used in negative sentences. And I have not decided until now. Here, until now is the message you want to convey. So, I have not decided it. Laura went out, but a few minutes ago, she returned back also. Somebody asks, is Lara still out? You say, no. Few minutes back she has returned. So what do you use? A short time ago she returned. So you say, she has just come back. No, she has just come back. Because this happened very recently. Right? There is nothing that says whether this is expected to come, she is expected to be here or not. Right? That's why we are not using already here. We are using just because she has come back very recently in the last few minutes. That's why you say she has just come back. Hope you understood the major difference between just, already, and yet. Yet we use in negative sentences and questions also, and yet comes generally towards the end after the verb. Whereas the other two they come before the verb. Thank you guys.